I'm a fool for your love.
Hey guys, this is me again, Jen, and welcome aboard to my channel. And yes, I'm back for another video. And for today, this is my first vlog for the year 2020. And I guess the best way to start is actually to answer your questions for the year 2019. So if you are interested, then just keep on watching. But before that, please don't forget to subscribe,
Like this video,
tap the notification button. And so if you are ready, let's begin. So today guys, we are here at Kalui Restaurant. This is like 20 minutes or so away from our hotel place. So we are spending 24 hours here in Puerto Princesa. Realize that since we are going here, the famous seafood restaurant here in Puerto Princesa, so I've decided to do a mukbang vlog while answering all of your questions. If you are following me on my Instagram account, I actually did an hashtag AskMeJen. So I asked you what are your questions or anything you wanted to know about me or anything about aviation. So today I'm going to answer that. And by the way guys, today's cast, kompleto kami today. So we have our purser right here, and our captain, and our first officer, and of course
R1 Ria.
she is not new to my vlog, and ito
Senior Elda.
So right now we're done taking our order and we're just waiting for our food to arrive. So while waiting, I'm going to start answering some of your questions. So let's see, what are those questions? First question is, what will be your advice to your younger self after graduating college? So for this one, maybe I'll tell my younger me to don't be too hard on yourself. It's okay if you don't get it the first try. It's okay if you'll get a lot of no's and yeses. Because life, what I've learned, life is not about getting in the finish line first, but life is about getting in the finish line when you are ready. So yun. Next is, I'll say both. Ano? They're both. Hindi, kapag boyfriend, girlfriend pa, hunk. Pero pag may baby na, okay na dad bod. Ay! Just like. If you have watched my Get to Know Me Better vlog, so all of the information is there. So if you missed that, I'll be putting the link in the description box down below. So feel free to check it guys. Since you're still young, my advice is for you to study hard. Study ka muna. And then, you are lucky because at a very young age, you already know what you want in life. So focus on your goal and study hard. So yun lang muna since you are still young. It's a very fulfilling job knowing that this is my childhood dream. But honestly speaking guys, the moment that I was released as a flight attendant, I never expected the job is really that hard. I thought this is a glamorous job, but it is far from that. Even if that's the case, I still find this job really fulfilling because, you know, I get to somewhat like be part of every passenger of getting them from point A to point B. So for that alone, it's really something fulfilling. Ay, okay, ikaw.
Single by
Choice.
Single, no choice.
No choice.
Final
No choice. Ideal guy. Before I was so idealistic. I want to have a guy who is taller than me, who is smarter than me. Smarter than me.
He really likes smart guys and
So pero ngayon, ideal guy, siguro someone who will support me in my vlogging career. Someone na willing mag-video sa akin, picture sa akin, so yun na lang. Okay na ako dun. And is willing to listen to all of my chika. Ano?
Photographer, bingi, at matalino. Okay na po yun.
Flight attendant 2017, vlogger 2019. Yes. So you may take any, you may apply whatever course you have in college. Again, it's available in my Get to Know Me Better, so I'll be putting the link on the description box down below. Yeah, I don't wash my hair every day. That's a big tip. Kasi sabi ni Heart Evangelista,
Every other day.
ano siya? Every
2 days.
Hindi, dapat daw palabasin yung oil.
I remember I took a Jensen flight, and then what happened was 30 minutes after takeoff, our captain called us, and then parang he asked, amoy sunog ba yung cabin? Tapos kami, Sumisinghot kami sabay-sabay. We can't smell anything inside the cabin. Our captain said, okay, that's good. Then 5 minutes after, our captain called again. Siya, sure kayo, hindi nangangamoy sunog yung cabin. Sumisinghot na naman kami, guys. And as in, wala talaga, walang amoy. And then the captain informed us that there's something wrong with the engine. So we need to go back to ramp. So yun, bumalik kami sa ramp. I was still flying, I guess, 3 weeks that time, and I was so nervous, I was so afraid. Good thing that our lead cabin crew, she handled it well. Her leadership skill was really amazing, and we were able to handle the situation nicely. And then, right after that, we changed the aircraft. After we transferred to another aircraft, so we proceeded to the flight, we went to Jansan. When deplaning, a passenger approached us and then she handed a bracelet sa lahat ng crew. Tapos parang sabi niya, maraming salamat, iniligtas niyo po kami. Tapos yun, naiyak na lang kami. To be appreciated is really the best thing that a passenger can do to us. Kaya it was very emotional for all of the crew. Yan lang. L1 si Miss Ames. Shout out to Miss Ames. I'm 27 years old. Best layover, maybe all flights na kasama ko silang dalawa.
Small piece.
Worst flight? Wala pa naman so far. Lord, wag mo naman bigyan, ha? Elves, kabaga.
Hindi ko rin maintindihan. Kung mamaingon lang sa tubig lang yun daw siya gikan.
It really started when I went to Clark. And then I did a video, what's inside a flight attendant's bag. And then right after uploading that video, a lot of people are actually telling me, you know what, you should start vlogging because you have a talent. It suits me now. Then I said, yeah, why not? Since creating videos is actually not new to me, so that's why I gave it a try. Applied at the age of 24. I started training at the age of 25. Yes! Best example, Puerto Princesa. For me, guys, it's a matter of practice and exposure. Okay, my life motivation is life is not life without heartaches and failures. Thank you, Crest. Yun lang masasabi ko. I have 3 places na gusto ko i-visit. One is Sapporo, Japan. Second one is Whistler, Canada. And the third one is Iceland because I want to see the Aurora Borealis. Almost 3 years. I eat a lot of rice. I eat a lot, guys.
Kakalimutan niyang kumain.
Minsan.
Always.
Minsan lang. Hanggang sa namimatay ako sa baklaran. Oo eh. Kaon kay ubuan. Adobo sa akong lola. So it's time to eat, guys. So for this one, this is the soup. Sinigang ni Kaka. It's made of coconut water. So let's try. This is a mix of tuna and shrimp. Interesting! Malalasahan mo yung cocoa water. Init. Malalasahan mo yung lasa. Sarap. Start with the sisig.
Hindi ito yung kinakausap ko.
Ang camera. Sorry na, babe.
Squid.
Adobo.
Squid. Thank you.
Yung break.
Captain.
Ito na.
Pagkain.
Use this break then.
Paano siya? Ito nakakain na to. Ito. Pwede na ko siya gamitin na to. Better. Asa akong kanon na ni? Nandiyan na. Ba't ako lang kumakain ng crabs? Ito? Kanon ako un? Visit ko siya. Ay, ito lang, meat.
Sabi mo, kamulo na lang.
Kainin natin.
Mag-first aid pa kayo.
Na, 3-month crew na lang kayo. Ito lang. Okay, Captain is teaching me how to do it. This is my first time eating big crab.
First time good?
Crabs?
A big crab.
Hindi ka allergic ka natin.
Malalaman natin later kung allergic ako. Diba? It's so yummy. Ay. Sorry na, sir. So yummy. Naiyak ako.
Ang laki na ng ilong mo.
Ah! Grabe lang.
Lumaki yung lips mo bigla eh.
Oh my God, puro siya meat.
Ayan, ayan, ayan.
So, according to Sir Mon, the most delicious part of a crab is this part. Let's try. Ito, the orange part. Can you see it?
The best crabs are mga baklang crabs, sabi nila.
Baklang crab?
Kasi,
How do you know it's a baklang crab?
kasi hindi ano siya mag-discount.
Gumaganon na siya pag niluluto. Oh my God, so good. Tanungin natin yung mga piloto natin ngayon.
Mawawala yung takot mo sa height when you're in control of the plane. So, normally, until now, may mga friends ako na takot sa height, pero mga piloto sila. The difference is, if they're in control, they're okay. But if they're not in control, takot sila.
And it's all about mindset.
Ano na yun, Liz?
It's all about mindset.
How about you, sir?
Yeah, I agree with them.
Oh my God, it's all in your mind, guys. If you really want it. Yeah. You have to conquer your fear. 5'6". Oh, yung pinakamaliit sa amin tatlo, Ria is...
5'7".
Ria, 5'7". Si Elda, winner, 5'9". Sobrang tangkad. Actually guys, I have a vlog about how do flight attendants get paid and our benefits and all. Pero the office requested to have it deleted. So hindi ko siya i-disclose ngayon. Pero it pays the bill. No.
Bakit?
I don't know. Kung may sagot lang dyan, guys.
Hindi naman tungkol sa
Yes. I will. No. It won't matter. We trust our captains, guys. So, hindi siya stressful.
No, as long as the pilot is in control, you'll have no problem. Yun lang yun. Pero pag tumakbo palabas yung piloto, nagsisigaw, then you have a problem.
So, yun na. Nakakatakot. So far, hindi ko pa na-experience yun, guys. Fasten your seatbelt. And then, if you have menthol inhaler with you, it really helps. And stay calm. Apply. Yan yung first step. To grow my channel. Yes. As long as 16 days. Yes! And basically, that's it. Maghugas muna ako ng kamay, guys. Sige na! Wala sa amin.
Inilibre mo naman ako sa masal.
Kasi hindi kami matutunawan.
Hindi kami matunawan.
Trust me.
I did not.
Hindi na, wala tayong lobster.
Nauna na yun kung galit. The least thing that we can do, maglibre ng pamasahe.
Pero sa room,
Ay, masahe pala! And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you learned something out of this vlog. Now, since it's the year 2020, it's New Year. Actually, I have a new segment for my vlog. So every end of my vlog, I'm going to feature 5 subscribers of mine. So I'll call them the subscribers of the week. So how will you be featured? It depends on your comment. So if you have a funny comment, something that will really catch my attention, then you will be one of my subscribers of the week. So for this week, ang napili ko ay... Tada! Congratulations for my subscribers of the week! So yeah, that's my new segment for my vlog, guys. And again, thank you so much for watching, and see you on our next vlog!